Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to deposit money into your Binance account. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. You can join Binance now by signing up with a link provided in the description box below to claim up to 100 USDT limited time trading fee credit reward. Now let's dive right in. So the first thing we need to do is to log in into your Binance account. Either you can use your web browser or you can simply log in using your mobile application for Binance app. So for us to be able to deposit money into your Binance account, as you can see, my estimated balance or the balance that I have is currently 0. Since this is a very new account, and all we have to do to deposit money here is to simply click on the wallet or just click on the word deposit here that's indicated with the yellow button here on the upper right corner of the screen, or simply just click here on the second step since this is for new accounts. So when you click on deposit, there will be options that will pop up on what type of deposit you would like to create. So when you click on the deposit button, here on the right side panel of the screen, this is where you'll be able to fund your wallet. It's either you can fund your wallet using your existing assets or crypto assets. You can deposit with crypto. For this type of deposit, you can get a deposit address for your cryptocurrency that you will be using. So when you click on that option here, the first thing that you need to do is to verify your account. All you have to do is go to your profile and make sure that you will be submitting the correct documents that they ask for so that you will be able to successfully create your Binance account and you'll be able to sell and buy cryptocurrencies here on this application. So once your account has been verified, the next thing that you'll do here is to select a coin. Depending on what type of cryptocurrency you'd like to deposit, you'll choose a network. And the last thing here is that Binance will be generating a unique deposit address so that will be the address you'll be using, where you will be transferring your existing cryptocurrency assets into your Binance account. So another option here is that if you have no existing cryptocurrency assets, you can actually buy a crypto. You can directly buy it with cash, which is hassle-free and very recommended to new users as well. Another option here is bank deposit, wherein you can use your bank and buy the cryptocurrency with your cash balance later. So if you click on buy crypto, the first 3 steps is sign up, make sure you verify your account, and from there you'll be able to buy crypto. You can use your Visa or your Simplex account to purchase one. Here on the right side panel of the screen, this is where you'll be able to transfer your funds. You need to indicate how much you will be spending for buying that specific cryptocurrency. And then you just choose what cryptocurrency you'd like that to be applied to. And the next thing here is that you need to choose your payment method. You can use fiat payment. Either you can use your card or your Simplex account, and you'll be able to see there's an equivalent amount for one Bitcoin cryptocurrency compared to the currency that you're currently using. So once you're done with that, you can just click on confirm, and you just need to wait for their confirmation. You'll be able to see here there is a graph on what are the current status of this specific Bitcoin. It is actually not a constant graph here, so sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. But the good thing here is that with Bitcoin markets, it actually is very popular at number 1. So another option here is that you can actually use fiat sender or recurring pay. You can also look into your history, and aside from buying crypto, you can actually sell one as well. But all you have to do is make sure that your account is verified so that you will be able to buy crypto and you can sell it as well so that you'll be earning money. The last option here is the bank deposit. With bank deposit, you only have to input your bank account details, and from there you'll be able to buy crypto with your existing balance into your bank later on. So here, this is deposit fiat currency. Here, all you have to do is make sure you choose the right currency depending on from which country you're from. Once you've chosen the currency, you just need to choose what bank you'd like to deposit here. But as you can see, with bank card, with Visa and MasterCard, it's currently suspended. So you just need to wait until that would be up and running, and then you just wait for their confirmation until they will be providing you the confirmation that the funds has been transferred here into your Binance account for the cryptocurrency. Aside from that, if you have more questions about how to deposit your money into your Binance account, you can actually easily go to the FAQs or the frequently asked questions and just type it right here on this box so that you'll be able to search information about depositing a crypto into your Binance account. So for example, you click on how to deposit crypto to Binance. You'll be able to see here there's a step-by-step process with using your mobile app, and you'll be able to see as well what are the options that you can use, whether it's P2P trading or whether it could be from your bank. You definitely have that option. So here you can choose a network. So it's just the same process on how you deposit money through your web browser. It's just the same process as how you will be transferring that on your mobile application. Here, there's also a tabs as well, wherein is it the new version of the website, is it for your website, or the old version of the website, or the application. So it's a very similar process, but the navigation may be different with comparing it with the application and the website that we have. So once you have looked into that, you can go back to your homepage and you'll be able to see here or keep track on what are the most popular cryptocurrency that you can look into. You also have here on your own profile. Once you have your account here, first thing that you need to do is just a recap. You don't forget to verify your own account so that you'll be able to deposit money and you can now start trading or selling your own cryptocurrencies. Once everything has been verified and you've deposited your money and you have received a confirmation, you can look into your deposit or your balance or your Binance wallet and you'll be able to see that your funds has been transferred from either from an existing cryptocurrency asset or from your own bank. And that's basically it. That's how you deposit money into your Binance account. And that's the end of the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!